What is up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. My name is Evan. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. This is the throtl YouTube channel. Today we got something a little bit different. Getting up pretty early this morning. It's just about 6 a.m. Going to meet Dustin at the shop. We got a little surprise for you today. Let's take you along for the ride. So we're just about to pull into the dealer right now. Are you ready for this?
I'm nervous, dude.
You ready?
Nervous. Okay,
so the game plan is actually Dustin's gonna try to trade in his daily, the Outlander, for the Evo, and hopefully they like this car.
Hopefully,
I guess.
yeah.
Hopefully they give you a good offer.
So the cool thing about this car is it's in pretty good condition, but the main selling point is it's got 51,000 miles. And
This is a cream puff, dude.
Yeah.
How many years? What year is
2006. 51,000 miles.
That's solid.
So we'll see. I don't know. We'll see.
So we're gonna go scope it out. Right now the dealership is actually not open, so we're gonna do a little walk around. I'll show you guys the car in just a second. They have a ton of really cool cars here. There's an Audi R8, WRX. There's a ton of Evo 10s. Man, this one's got T37s on it. See that?
Yeah.
That is clean. So it looks like they're not open just yet, so we got some time to kill, but I'll tell you a little bit about the car. So it's a 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, obviously 6-speed. I believe the car is silver with silver wheels, and it is 100% stock with the exception of a carbon fiber trunk. So that's actually pretty rare to find a 100% stock Evo. So this will be a perfect car for Dustin. It's nothing too crazy. He's not gonna do a full build on this, I don't think, but if he wants to, it's a good platform, you know. Hopefully it hasn't been beaten too bad. One day, talk about daily. Ooh. How about this?
All right.
Yeah. Oh, brother. Looks like they have an orange one as well. That's an MR. So many WRXs, STIs, and then I think back here it is.
Here it is. First look at the Evo that I will be test driving today. Hopefully, they have a lot of cars to move.
Yeah.
But here it is. Dude, this is sick.
So what I'm doing right now is walking around the car and looking at all the things that you can see from the outside to kind of gauge the condition and also kind of gauge how this car was cared for. So the first thing that I noticed is these brakes, and I hope you guys can hear me. I'm talking kind of loud. The both front and rear brakes look like they need to be replaced ASAP. It's gonna be kind of hard to see on camera, but they might even be the original brakes. I'm not too sure, but very rusty. The pad depth is very small, and I think we're gonna go ahead and replace those.
Definitely, that'll be probably the first model will be new brakes.
You know, the body's pretty straight, couple little door dings, nothing major. Kind of the same condition with the front brakes. The wheels are curved. Moving on, looks like the headlight, this one's got water in it. This one's pretty, yeah. Okay. Just some light body damage here. As far as the tires, they actually look pretty new in the front as well in the rear, so that's good. But I did notice that this side is missing the front inner liner here. Looks like it ripped off somewhere down there. The inside is actually very clean. It's got the suede Alcantara Recaros with an aftermarket Pioneer head unit. Other than that, has a 3-pillar pod gauge setup with only 1 gauge in there. Fitment's not too good at the top, but everything else is okay. I just noticed this. We got to get in the back seat for that. Hold on. Boys, we got a TV in the back. So the car has 116,000 miles. very low on gas. This is kind of neat, I guess.
Alright, so first thing I'm noticing is that clutch feels good, gearbox feels good, so...
Yeah, I think it's got a short shifter on it.
Yeah, that's what it feels like. We'll see.
But then you're gonna go to the light and hang it right, okay?
Okay. Oh wow, this thing feels awesome.
Yeah.
A few minutes later.
All right, so we were just taking a look at the Carfax and I noticed that the car is actually from New York. So being from New York myself, I know that they do salt the roads. So we're gonna take a look at the underside of the car and see if there's any rust or signs of rust before we do anything else. It's just as I expected, dude. So they undercoated it to try to hide the rust. Does have an aftermarket, looks like 3-inch exhaust. Got some weird wiring harness dangling down there. The other thing that I want to check is underneath the car and see if there's any oil spots or leaks or anything like that. Okay, so we got a small oil leak as well. All right, so I actually told Dustin maybe keep an eye out for something else and not to make a deal, but he's pretty amped on it. The car does drive straight, feels nice, there's no weird hesitations, it idles well, so I think it's gonna be a good project for him if he does end up pulling the trigger. He's inside talking to them about making a deal.
One eternity later.
All right, looks like Dustin is pulling the trigger on the Evo. So we are heading back down to San Diego in the Evo. This thing is really nice. The interior is really mint on this car. With the exception of this head unit, I don't think this thing works very well.
Definitely broken.
It's really old school, so he's gonna replace that as well as a bunch of other stuff. So if you wanna check out this whole build process, definitely check out Dustin's channel. It'll be in the description below. You know what time it is, dude?
What time is it, Beckerman?
It's plug time, baby.
Oh boy.
So if you guys want to win a turbo kit or a turbo upgrade for your car, it's a Garrett Turbo, Turbo Smart Wastegate, Turbo Smart Blow-Off Valve, a bunch of other stuff. All you got to do is join throtl VIP. You're a VIP.
I'm a VIP.
You gotta get the decal in here though.
I do. So literally, Edmund doesn't say this, but I tell him to every time when we're plugging throtl VIP. It's literally $10 a month for a chance to win an entire turbo kit. Well, we do air suspension, we do trips out here to come hang out in the shop and stuff. Like literally so many benefits. Plus,
For sure.
if you're trying to buy or sell car parts, it makes that process 10 times easier. So I listed my 240s on throtl, and I'm a VIP, so I get all of the benefits. And I already had like 3 different people hit me up overnight for the car, so it does make everything a lot easier. Plus the benefit of maybe winning these awesome prizes. So,
yeah, so if you don't want a turbo kit, you also get your choice to spend $4,000 in new performance parts. So it's a pretty good deal. If you guys are interested, check out the link in the description, and see you guys on there.
Let's do it.
So just left the shop because we got to go pick up a special guest from the airport. You guys might have seen in a previous video, Michael Romani was the November winner for the throtl VIP sweepstakes, and he won a free all expenses trip paid out to San Diego. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. We have a ton of stuff planned, car shows, go-karting, and I'm gonna try to bring you guys along for the ride every step of the way. So Michael, if you're watching this, welcome to San Diego. We'll see you soon. That's all the time I have for you guys today. If you like what you saw in this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.